Alright guys, you know what that means. When you see a little snout sticking out of the blanket, that means it's the dreaded Monday morning. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, baby. Hey, babe. Hi, Cleo. Good morning, Cleo. Cleo. Hi. You sleeping by your toys? Sammy. It's Monday morning. I am so sorry, baby. I know. Mommy has to go to work. You want breakfast? You want breakfast? Yes, SpongeBob's on. You see it? Your favorite show. Oh, baby boy. I know. I know. I hate Monday mornings. I hate them. Hate them. I'm gonna go make your breakfast, okay, Sam? Alright? The birds are waking up now. The birds hear Mommy. Oh, sweetie. Wanna get up? Good morning, Botton. What do you got in your mouth? Botton. Botton, let me see you. What do you got? You got a feather? What is that? Oh, what is that? Good morning, Botton. What do you got? Oh, a piece of food. You got a piece of food. Good morning. Give him kisses. Kisses. Have a kiss. Thank you, Botton. I love you. Thank you, sweetheart. Mwah. I love you. Good morning. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for the kisses. I love you. All right, Sammy. You ready? You ready? He's like, nope, I don't think so. I really don't. All right, Sammy, I'm going to go make your food, okay? And I'll come get you when it's ready, okay? All right? You going to come? You want to come with me? I know it's so hard. I know. Oh, Sammy, Sam. Here. Let me take the blankie off you. Oh, baby. You ready? Come on. Let's get this day started. Sam. Oh, gosh. Oh, he's not getting up. All right, baby, I'm going to go make your breakfast, and I'll come back and get you. All right? He's like, no. Okay, 1 second. You think you're ready now? You think you're ready? Come on, puppy. You gotta stretch out those legs. You gotta stretch out those little legs. Come on, babe. Just step down, you got it. Just step down, puppy. You got it. Oh, Zilly, come on. Oh, baby, come on. Come on, you could do it. There you go. All right, guys, let's go get his breakfast. Come on, princess, where are you? Oh, she's already gone? I don't know where she went. She probably left already. 1 second. Alright guys. Ready, Sam? What, you helping me with the towel? You helping me with the towel? Thanks. I need you to help me with the plate. Uh-oh. Look, it got all turned around. Can you help me? There you go. Alright, sweetheart. There you go. So, we have the bird pig coming. We got the bird pig coming. This morning I got almonds for him because I don't want him eating Sammy's food because he has a lot of supplements in there on Monday mornings. Here, Botton. Botton, no, come here. Here, go have that. There you go. Good job. So I always tell you what I give him for people who haven't been with us for too long on the channel and on Facebook. So this yummy, yummy food, it is actually specially formulated mini pig pellets that I soak in warm water for him. So it's like an oatmeal consistency. And then, let me get Botton more. There you go. And then I give him, once a week he gets a vitamin D because he's an indoor pig, so I supplement his vitamin D. I give him horse supplements. One is for his hooves, Horseshoe or Secret. And then I give him also for horses, but pig dosage, I give him vitamin E and selenium. They need vitamin E, which they get in the, no, here, babe, here, there you go. Actually, selenium they get in the soil. So I supplement that for him, again, since he's an indoor pig and he doesn't root around in the dirt. So he gets his selenium through supplement. Hi, Princess. And then he's also, because of his abscess that I've been treating naturally, he's been getting about 5,000 milligrams of vitamin C that's water soluble, which has helped him. Here you go, Botton keeps coming in and getting some almonds. Yeah, so I've been giving him mega doses of vitamin C, and you see his abscess on his face is almost gone already. So I'm trying to treat him that way, and he's getting vitamin B12 and B12 complexes and probiotics and joint supplements, and I give him an allergy pill because of the season. Do you want another one? Whoops, it's all the way over there now. There you go. What else do I give him? I put some flavored yogurt in there for him with probiotics in it. So he's getting really, really good stuff. And as you see, he didn't have to get put out for the abscess. He didn't have to have it lanced. He didn't have to have antibiotics. And it's pretty much gone already. So every time it comes back, if it does, I'm just going to treat him this way. I think Sammy got most of those supplements in him, so I'm not worried about Botton getting a tiny bit of this today. Can't hurt him. So anyway, guys, so that's the story. That's it. That's what Sammy gets on Monday mornings. There goes Botton. I gotta go get ready for work and get this week started. You know we hate Mondays, but we have to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in order to get to our special Friday. So that's the way it goes. We love you guys. Have a great day, and we will see you later. Sammy's going to lick that bowl now for a while. We love you. Bye, guys.